In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the row height in Google Sheets or Excel in just 18 seconds. Let's dive right in. First, what you're going to want to do is open up Google Sheets. If you haven't yet created a spreadsheet, simply go ahead and start a new one or open an existing document that you'd like to modify. Once you're in, locate the specific row you wish to adjust. A simple way to do this is by directly clicking on the row number on the left-hand side of the screen. This action will select the entire row for you. Now, we'll explore two different methods to change the row height. The first method is a quick and straightforward technique. Once you have selected a row, bring your cursor to the line at the bottom of the row heading. When you see the cursor change to a vertical arrow, click and drag up or down to adjust the height of the row to your desired size. This manual method is particularly useful when you need a quick adjustment and don't have a specific measurement in mind. The second method is more precise and is ideal when you require specific measurements for your rows. To do this, start by selecting the row or rows you want to adjust. Let's say you want to adjust the height for rows 4 and 5. Click and drag across the row numbers 4 and 5 to select them both at once. With your right mouse button, click on the highlighted row numbers. In the context menu that appears, look for the option that says Resize Rows X, Y, and click it. After choosing the Resize option, a dialog box will pop up. This is where you can enter the exact pixel height you wish for your rows. You simply type in the number of pixels that correspond to the desired height. It's important to remember that row height is measured in pixels, and knowing exactly how tall you want your rows to be can be particularly helpful for maintaining consistent formatting throughout your document. After you've entered the pixel value, go ahead and click the OK button to apply your changes. Immediately, you'll see your selected rows adjust to the new specified height. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the row heights in your Google Sheets or Excel spreadsheet. Whether you're using the quick drag method or the more precise resizing tool, adjusting row height is a breeze. So next time you need to tidy up a spreadsheet or make your data more readable, you'll know exactly what to do. Thanks for tuning in and happy spreadsheeting.